Hi everybody, it's Lisa from JoyfullyArt. Can do another video today. Hope everybody's doing good. First off, here's the do-over from the gray to the black. I hope you all like it. It looks pretty good to me. So let's get on with the next. My apron's bugging me today. Okay, this is, and I can't remember what size this canvas is to measure it. 14 by 11. And I'm gonna try something that I've never done before, and that's a ribbon pour. Never have done one, so we're gonna see how that turns out. I have this cup, and I'm gonna start with some worn penny on the bottom. And I'm just going to go down through. I'm not going to try and layer the colors. This is copper. This is berry. It's just called berry. And this is an old gold. Got to make sure I have some left over to do the ribbons with. And then I have a metallic bronze. So I hope these all look good together. I want to remind everybody that I do have my Etsy store open again. So I hope people are going there and looking to see what's happening with that. Seeing all the paintings that I've got going. I'm trying to put up new ones all the time. So if you see any that you just can't live without, please let me know. And I'll be sure and get right back to you if you send me a message or anything. All right. So we're just going to do a straight pour with this. That berry sure is pretty. Actually wanted to put some black in, but I forgot it, so we'll just have to do without. Let's give it a torch. Lots of air bubbles in there. We'll pop the air bubbles so they don't pop afterwards and leave little divots in your paint. Move all this stuff over so I can move my board out so that I'll just tilt this. Get a good covering on. Let's see what we have. My fingers all in it. I think I see some things in there that I need to get out. My tweezers. Boy, I try so carefully not to get anything in my paints. I strain my paints and everything, and still there's stuff in them. Don't understand it, but as long as we catch them early, it's okay. Cover this right here. I know you're seeing the back of the canvas, but I just need to cover this corner right there. There we go. Let's see, there's a lot of the copper and darn, this paint. Don't know what it's coming from. Don't know which paint it's coming out of, but I don't like it. Better now that I can see it than later when I can't. Get some cells up, that's pretty good. Okay, now got to do the ribbons. And I brought an extra cup to do those in. Watch out, Tricks. My doggy's down here at my feet. Not gonna put any copper or the berry in here because I've got plenty of that. So let's see. I'm gonna put some gold and some bronze and a little bit of the worn penny. Give it a little bit of a crisscross in here. I can bend my cup and then we just start. I watched some videos on this, so let's hope I can do it. It's kind of like that. Like that. That one didn't come out very well. Let's try that one again. There we go. Let's try acrylic hue. There we go. That's not too bad at all. I kind of like that for my first time doing anything like that. How about that? I think that's going to be enough though. Let's give it a final torch. Like I said, my Etsy store is open. Please go there and shop around if you want. I'm also on Instagram and my Facebook page. All those are listed in the description box below. I'd love for you to subscribe if you haven't already. Tell your friends and family about me. Comment if you so desire. Tell me what you think about this painting. Here's a close-up. My first ribbon pour. I think it's pretty neat. I thank you all for watching today. And as always, subscribe and have a great day.